Julio with Kano's Customs. Today I'll be showing you how to install Lambo doors on a 2010 Camaro. First step is to disconnect the battery.
Sounds like music on sofas.
So this is everything that comes in the kit. Wire loom, detailed instructions, fender support brackets, stainless steel bolts for the body, and then these go on the door, the shorter ones. The washers for them goes like this. These little grease nipples go on the shocks in there. And these pins go in the shock after it being installed. They go in here. That's pretty much it. The first thing you want to do is make sure the marks you put on the painter stick match up. On the bottom. Then you want to secure the door so it doesn't move whenever you take off the door hinge. You want to double check on the spacers we put in before to make sure they're tight. This is going to be your main support so the door doesn't fall down. This is going to hold it in place, and this is going to hold it in place. With the door secure, now we're ready to take off the door hinges. Grab 4 of the shorter bolts and 4 of the longer bolts and put washers on them. The longer bolts go on the body of the car. The shorter bolts go on the door. We'll put in the kit, make sure the arm goes inside the loop or the wire. Then you mount the clip flush and go. First, put the bolts on the door. Remember, it's the shorter ones. Once you put all 4, then you're ready to put the ones on the body of the car. Start off by tightening the top, the door, and the bottom. Once you do that, then you do it on the body. Then you grab the stick and you check your measurements. To the bottom, as you can see, the door's a little bit out. On the bottom, as for the top is actually perfect. So then what you do, the bottom one that you tighten, you loosen it up, and then you push the door in by holding the kit and pushing the door while tightening it at the same time. Once you're sure the distance between the body and the door are good, then you check the quarter panel and the door. Make sure it's a snug fit, letting you know it's exactly where it was at before. This is the swivel that holds the shock. You have to take it off. Put a little bit of alcohol on the towel and clean the thread from all the grease. Put a little bit of grease where the shock swivels. And put it inside the shock. Then you grab a little bit of Loctite, put it on the thread. Little bit of that. There we go. Put it back on. Don't open the door till you tighten the adjustment screw. Make sure the gap between the bolt is closed, that it's all the way in. Do it till the nut starts spinning by itself. Pretty much, if you tighten it up, it goes up. If you loosen it, the door goes down, and that will be your adjustment. To put in the shock, you have to bring the door out, open it, and then bring it up. Down, down, down. Now that's good. This is a pin that goes inside the shop. The second adjustment controls how far the door opens out. To adjust that, you have to bring it up. And then you tighten this up. You check to see that it doesn't have any play. Double check and make sure all the bolts are tight. The fender back on, you must first slide the guide inside the holes of the fender. Once you're all the way in, then you slide it in from the bottom. You can check the gaps between the fender and the door. Make sure it's flush. Perfect. Check to make sure the door doesn't hit.
Maserati go crazy.
You have to put a little bit of grease between the guide and the kit. Then you bring the door down, put some more.